It was sitting on the gutter. I took it in my hand and I held it very carefully against my ear and listen, listen, listen. That's what I hear. Squalling, calling, crashing, rushing, honking, joking, belching, smoking, buying, selling, laughing, yelling, running, wheeling, roaring, squealing, cars and garbage, reds and greens, girls, women, men, machines, getting, giving, dogs and boys, living, 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 city noise.